Next is a class on the Srimad Bhagavatam, 6th Canto, 1st Chapter, text number 19, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on July 2nd, 1975, in Denver, Colorado.
Those who have given up all varieties of religiosity and who have surrendered to Krishna alone by fixing their minds on His lotus feet may not have fully realized Him, but due to their simply surrendering unto Him, they have become attached to His name, fame, quality, and pastimes. By such surrender, they have become completely purified of all sinful reactions, although they may not have accepted the principles of atonement. Even in dreams, such a surrendered soul does not see Yamaraj or his border carriers equipped with ropes for binding sinful men.
Sakit mana Krishna padar vindayo nibeshitang tad gunaragi jairiha nati jamang pasa bhritascha tad vatan sapne pipasyanti hichinna niskita. So, this is the profit of Krishna conscious person. Krishna is so attractive that if anyone only once has fully applied his mind in thinking of Krishna and surrendering, then he becomes immediately saved from all miserable condition of this material life. That is our perfection of life. Somehow or other we surrender to the lotus feet of Krishna. So here it is stressed. Sakrit. Sakrit means only once. So if so much profit is there, simply once thinking of Krishna, then we can imagine those who are always engaged in thinking of Krishna by chanting the Hare Krishna mantra. What is their position? They are very safe. So much so that it is said, Nati jamangapasa bhitasya tadvatan sapne pipasyanti. Sapna means dreaming. Dreaming is false. To see the Jamadutas or the carriers of order of Jamaraj, superintendent of death, to see face to face at the time of death when one very sinful man is dying, he sees the Jamaraj or the motor carriers of Jamaraj. They are very fierce looking. Sometimes the man on the deathbed becomes very much fearful, cries and save me, save me. This also happened to Ajamin, and that is the story we shall narrate later on. But he was saved for his past activities in Krishna consciousness. He was saved. That story we shall get later on. So, this is the safest position. Otherwise, this material world is full of danger. It is dangerous place. It is said in the Bhagavad Gita, Dukkhalayam. It is a place of miseries. You cannot become happy in a place which is meant for miseries. That we have to understand. Krishna says, the Supreme Personality, the Dukkhalayam Sasana. This material world is a place of miserable condition. and that also asasata, not permanent. You cannot stay. Even if you make a compromise that, never mind, it is place of misery, I shall make adjustment and I shall stay here. People are so much attached in this material world. I have got practical experience. And in 1958 or 57, when I first published this book, Easy Journey to Other Planet, so I met one gentleman. He was very enthusiastic. So we can go to other planet. You are giving such information. And yes. And if you go, you will not come back. No, then I won't go. He said the whole idea is that we shall go another planet, just like they are making the fun, they are going to moon planet, but they could not stay there, they are coming back. That is scientific advance. And if you go there, why don't you stay there? And I read the newspaper that when the Russian aeronautics went, they were looking down, where is Moscow? So our attachment is so strong that even it is dukkhalayam, just like some hogs, they are living in filthy place and eating stool. And if you say that I take you somewhere else, good place, they will not go there. This happened, it is stated in the Bhagavad that once the king of heaven, he was cursed to become hog, and he was living among the hog society, and when Lord Brahma came to call him back, that Mr. Satansachi, for your bad behavior you became hog, now come back to heaven. So he refused. No, I have got so much responsibility. I cannot go. You see? This is material. It is called Maya, illusion. Even you are in the most abnormal condition of life, we will feel, now you are very happy. So, that is our position. We do not want to leave this place. Therefore we create nationalism, communism, thisism, thatism, because we want to stay here permanently. But unfortunately, nobody will be allowed to stay, even if you want to stay. And that is the miserable condition of material. Dukkhalam asasam. So we have to leave this place. And when we leave, then according to our proportion of sinful or pious activities, we get next body. So those who are very, very sinful, they go to the hellish condition of life, the planets, they are down this universe. So there is the kingdom of Pluto or Jamaraj, and he comes at the time of death, and the sinful man is very, very fearful, odd-looking, and they come to take. So here it is said that one who has once surrendered to Krishna, for them there is no such fear. Even in dream they will not see the order carriers of Jamaraj and Jamaraj. So the Krishna consciousness movement is giving this benefit to the human society. It is very easy, not difficult, without any condition. You simply chant and remember Krishna. It is not at all difficult. Everyone can. Here you are seeing the deity of Krishna. So while chanting, if you remember this deity, is it very difficult? We are opening these centers, giving this education, and from Shastras, all information we are giving. So you take advantage of it. Don't spoil life. Labdha sudurladamidam bahusambhavante. This human form of life is obtained after many, many millions of years. We have to come through the evolutionary process from aquatics to plants, trees, insects, serpents, birds, beasts. In this way we have come to this human form of life, and in this life we can hear about Krishna, think about Krishna, see Krishna's deity, so many opportunities. And if you take this opportunity, be accustomed to think of Krishna. When you speak of Krishna, means God. Krishna is the God, Supreme. Krishnastu Bhagavan Sayam. Krishna is the Supreme Personality of God. So Krishna has very kindly agreed to come to your city, Denver city, this temple. Take advantage of it. Come daily, see Krishna, think of Krishna, chant Hare Krishna, take Krishna's prasadam, and be happy. This is our movement. We want to see that everyone is happy. That is the Vedic mission. Sarve sukhina bhavantu. This is human life. Human life means paropakar. That is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission. To do others something auspicious. That is human life. The animal life means do for my good, I do harm to many others. That is animal life. So this is not life, the human life, that for our sense gratification we are killing so many animals, we are doing so many mischievous things, we are cheating others. We can do that. But we are becoming more and more implicated. At the time of death, the Jamaraj will come and take us to the hellish condition. Therefore, foolish people, they want to forget that there is next life. No, there is next life. We are discussing every day. Next life is there. We are every moment getting a different body. This is the scientific study. I do not know why they cannot understand. This is biology. Biology means we are every moment we are getting a new body. This is biology. So we have to give up this body and we have to accept another body. So labor or work for such body which will no more be material body. This is intelligence. Madhyajino pijanti ma. Next body means as we are acting according to the resultant action of our activities, we get next body. Karmana daivanetrina jantar deho upapatti. How you get next life? In this life, you are acting in a certain way, and by nature we shall get a similar body. Nature's law is so perfect that the law, just like infection, I have several times explained, you infect some disease, the disease will come out. Not that somebody will come to avoid you the disease. By nature's way it will come out. If you say that somebody will come, no. The nature's law is so perfect. It's like if you touch fire, immediately it will burn. Not that you have to wait. Similarly, nature's law. It is stated in the Bhagavad Gita, Patite kiramanani gunai karmani sarvas. As you are associating with different modes of material nature, you are creating your future. So, there is future life. You should take it. You try to understand it. It is not very difficult. But by the modern education, we have become so dull-headed, we cannot understand the simple truth that we have to change this body. Vasansi jinnani yathabhya. So, this is a fact. Take it. So, we must have the next life, at least without any danger. Not to go to the Hades planet. At least remain in this planet. That we can do. Janti bhutani bhuteja. If you want to stick to this planet or this world, that also you can get the facility. And if you want to go to the higher planet, that also you can get. And if you go to the hellish planet, that also, the possibility is there. And if you want to go to Krishna, that possibility is also there. Janti madhyajino pima. So we are creating a situation by our activities for next life. This is the fact. So why not work for going back to Krishna? This is intelligence. So what is the benefit of going to Krishna? Jadgatyana nivartanti tadhamava. You won't have to again come back and accept this material body. So, if we go on with this habit, Krishna consciousness, then our position is very secure, and keep yourself in that secure position rigidly, then your life is successful. Thank you very much.